At Roseau High School, career and technical education goes far beyond the classroom.
What we're trying to do here is to expose everybody to these different machines and the tools and learn how to work safely.
In and outside of their CTE classes, students train in welding and advanced manufacturing, learning real-world skills on CNC machines and industry-grade equipment.
We want you to understand what that really entails, especially working in a plant environment. For Polaris, it is a long-term payoff working with the high school students.
Through strong partnerships with Polaris and Marvin Windows, they gain hands-on experience, explore career pathways, and even compete at the national level.
I was able to build a C-clamp this year, and I'm working on other projects too.
Proving that in northern Minnesota, students aren't just learning about careers, they're building them.